One of the challenges with digital assessment is trying to figure out how to make it efficient and helpful for both the teacher and the student. Google Docs has a simple way that I was able to latch onto. So let me show you how this works. Assume you're reading a student's paper. I'll take this from an English perspective to start, but it's not limited to English. You can do this for pretty much any subject depending on your needs. But for this example, when we start reading a paper, we see, oh dear, they're using the wrong word there. I don't need to type out a long thing. I can just write WW, and when I hit go, it inserts wrong word. Now the student knows what that error is, and I teach my students that the error is immediately before what gets inserted in brackets. So as we continue reading, we see a spelling error. SP, classic one, boom, spelling error. Now they know what's there. And here we're missing an apostrophe, so we just put a T, and wow, punctuation error. And again, this gives students guidance, but makes them look and figure out, well, what punctuation error do I have? For other sentence errors, we can do that as well. Here we're looking at a comma splice, so simply type in CS, and boom, comma splice sentence error. A couple others just to make the point. Another spelling error here, boom. And I think that's it for that. Now, to show you that it's not just for the anal retentive English teachers, let's say if you're a math teacher and you're constantly looking over lots of calculations your students are doing and find silly errors like this one. It's a basic addition error, so I put in, boom, incorrect addition. All right, now you want to know how the heck do you do this? It's really quite simple. So in Google Docs, go to Tools, and when you scroll down, you go to the Preferences menu. And you will see this screen, which you'll notice I have put in all kinds of coding for a wide variety of grammatical errors that I see constantly in student writing. At the top, this AC means that, hey, they need to use an apostrophe for a contraction, and they need to remember that. This could go with any subject across the board, but one of the things with our school writing across the curriculum, we see kids who don't have that claim or thesis. So if you want to make that message, hey, you are lacking a claim or thesis, you don't need to write all that out. You can code it like that. And I like to put everything in brackets because it stands out for the students when it goes in. So you simply put missing claim / thesis if you want. Hopefully you'll type better than I. And hit OK. And let's say this was a lousy claim or totally missing it. Just put CL and missing claim. So this can be done in again, a wide variety. It's up to you what you would want to insert at any time, anywhere. One suggestion I would make, I like to use, when I do these codes, I like to actually go into the suggesting mode. It does two things. It puts it in a different color. When the students open this up, they'll see it. So I'll just put a simple error that I see a lot. Let's see. So add a space to separate words, and you'll notice that it pops up with this menu on the side. So when your students go back and look at this, they actually can accept it, which they should, or they can reject it, which they shouldn't. So anyway, this is a quick lesson on a wide variety of ways you can simply use Google Docs to make your grading helpful and efficient. So hopefully that is helpful.